Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. Well, it's Tuesday, November 12, and Bitcoin just trying to touch. It's just trying to touch 90k. What do you think? It's a good day to be in crypto and also on Crypto Traders Arena. You can tell me that in the chat. Morning, Bucur. Morning, Sebastian, Cristian, Catalin. As usual, I think we should start with Bitcoin on daily chart. Morning, Baba. Good morning. Good day to be in crypto. Good day. Hey, Carol. Nice to see you. Well, if Carol, it's in the morning live stream, it's definitely a bull market on meme coins. If everything it's okay on the YouTube side, audio, video, someone could tell me in the chat. Until then, repeat after me, market is fucking strong this time. It's not strong, it's fucking strong. I put the house level here, and you can see I'm expecting a fight at 90k. In that area, 86, 90k. We'll accept above that level and we'll push higher? Well, it's kind of hard to say when Bitcoin is in price discovery. It's not as easy as it seems. Well, we'll reject from what? We don't have support, we don't have resistance, price discovery. We have to wait and see what happens. We can still think about, okay, we have for a hedge, we have location and we need divergence and price patterns. We can think in that area, but in the same time, staying or fading this trend, I don't think it's healthy for our portfolios. Just my 2 cents. I know it's tempting. You can hedge your portfolio, but to think, well, I'll make money shorting Bitcoin because it's 90k, well, could be 95 as easily. Could be above 100. Could be above 110. My thinking is, okay, I'll pay attention. If I'll see 3-bar fractals on daily, I could start hedging my portfolio. I'm thinking about that. I didn't hedge my portfolio yet. So, market is strong. Hopefully everyone from Crypto Traders Arena saw that. We blabbed away here. We said over and over again, repeat after me. It was even annoying for some people. Some people even DM me and ask me, why the fuck you are just repeating that line? Well, now they understand. Now they are not asking me anymore. Idea is, after Bitcoin will finish the move, if we'll slow down, go in a range or something, altcoins are barely waiting to recover some ground. So here I think it's better to focus on some altcoins. Yeah. On the investment part, we have some altcoins. We have a lot of altcoins actually. We have Road to Financial Freedom for everyone. And then we have the Last Chance Challenge. By the way, premium people, VIP, we posted more, we added more coins on the Last Chance Challenge. Okay? 4 or 5, I don't know exactly. And I'll add even more. I have to scan a little bit the coins from KuCoin. I want to add more from KuCoin. We still have some free spots there to add. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. It's a nice one, Carol. Make it a GIF and post it on Crypto Traders Arena. Some people need to hear that. Well, that's my thinking here. I don't know where Bitcoin will stop pushing higher. It's overextended this move. Seems like it's up only. Where will stop? I don't know. You can see in a couple of days we pushed kind of 20k, which is not bad. It's really nice. Is the beginning of the move on Bitcoin here? Well, I don't know if it's the beginning. Definitely not a good area to chase Bitcoin. You cannot go publicly say, well, I'll buy Bitcoin at 90K because I'm early. Come on. After JP Morgan, after every institution it's in, you're early. You're buying the fucking close to the top. I'm not saying 89 is the top. I'm just saying that we are not early here. It's not a good area to buy. 2 years ago, when P-cycle bottom told us to buy below 20K to start dollar cost averaging, that was the bottom. That was the idea. To buy, I don't know, 5 times higher. I don't think it's a good idea. I just don't. But we can focus on altcoins. There are some coins at the bottom. There are some coins that could give us 10, 20, 50x. Maybe more. Let's not be greedy. Even a 10x could be nice for an acceptable portfolio. So focus on the right direction. Don't stare at Bitcoin. Okay? Now, let's take a look on the rest of the market. Bitcoin is strong. You can see indicators. We don't have any problem. Even if I'll put the other template, I don't think we have anything to worry about for the moment. No. Let's look at Ethereum. Well, finally, people, finally, Ethereum is reaching 61.8 short reload zone. You can see. Well, straight up move. Well, it is what it is. Nothing we can do about it. Now, from last retest was at 2,500. Now we are $1,000 higher. Well, everyone was waiting for below 2,000. Wasn't the case. You can see 61.8 front run, and that strength they pushed higher. We should chase and buy here? No. I cannot buy something that it's a short reload zone. I could trade something. Yeah, I could trade with Holy Grail Ethereum on 50-minute chart and ride the entire wave. But to buy Ethereum as a spot bag, as something for next year, no, it's too high for me. Okay. So, that's Ethereum. Don't FOMO in, people. Just don't do it. If you want to trade and you want to become a trader, well, join us and we'll teach you how to swing trade. We'll even teach some of you how to day trade. We can show you how Holy Grail works. I made this indicator specifically for this kind of environment where nothing is working. Nothing you can do will no setup will get you long. Well, go on Ethereum on 50-minute chart, put Holy Grail and see what happens. I'll show you in a couple of minutes. Do the same with Bitcoin. I don't know. More than that, I didn't saw a better indicator than Holy Grail for a crazy uptrend. Now, that's daily on Ethereum. Don't chase here. Yeah, we can push even higher, but it's a bad area to chase, people. I know will sound for beginners sounds ugly. Well, how you want me to wait? Yeah, I want you to wait. Bitcoin dominance. Yesterday we had a crazy idea that Bitcoin dominance should go back at 60%. We have that now. And the best case scenario will be to make an M here. Okay, making an M. Let's wait for that M now. We have the location again. We are back at 60%. Let's see if we get a daily M. That could start something nice on altcoins. Imagine Bitcoin, it's already at 90K. Could push 10K higher, depending how we'll push 10K. If we'll go straight up, that will destroy our thinking on Bitcoin dominance. But I think we are high enough with Bitcoin to think altcoins should recover a little bit. So I could get my M here. If I'll see an M here, that will be my trigger to be more aggressive on altcoins. And not necessarily I'm here as I did a squiggly line here and I put exactly like this. I don't know how it look, but I'll look for this pattern. Yeah, could be a head and shoulder, could be I don't know, ugly pattern, yeah, could be, but this is the location where I'm thinking for yams kind of idea. Okay, Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Well, I had another crazy idea yesterday that Ethereum should go back in the long reload zone, at least touch 61.8 and make a W. We have location. I don't know what will happen next, but at least we touch 61.8. Will Ethereum recover straight up? It's possible, but probable not. Probable we'll do something like this, even if we'll form the bottom on Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Okay, it's taking time. It's daily chart. Don't think Ethereum will start outperforming from this minute. No, it's not working that way. We had a dead cat bounce, a strong move, showed us, well, I'm not so weak as everyone thinks. Yeah? Everyone was saying Ethereum is dead. Well, now they're not thinking in the same direction. Yeah? The last buyers got punished, and now we can consolidate, make a nice double, and then to push higher. Or the other scenario is to just grind lower a little bit and make in a lower location below this low, we can make a W. At some point in time, we'll make a fucking W. That's the moment we are waiting. Here we are waiting to make a W, front running the big W. So this will be the big one, okay? And now we are trying to enter a smaller W, which will be the right side of the big one. Because we are here day in, day out, we are trying to be a bit smarter and try to find a sweet spot to enter. Okay? That's Ethereum versus Bitcoin. DXY, pushing higher from yesterday, really nice and clean. Broke to the support and resistance 105. It will go to the next one? Who knows? Probably. A lot of liquidity here. Total market cap. Well. Now we have the daily close as we wanted. Now, stepping up and getting more aggressive. That's a bull market. And we are still below the all-time highs on total market cap. Okay? Still below that level. We still need to push higher and close above to say, well, officially we are in a bull market in crypto. For the moment, we are still in a range. Will last long until we'll exceed trillion? No, I think not. I think we'll do it really fast. Looking at Bitcoin, total two, as Ethereum is recovering, you can see I have too many squiggly lines and too many drawings here, but we are testing the high here, but a lot of room to go until the all-time high, 1.7 trillion, and we are at 1.1. That's why I'm hunting for opportunities in altcoins. A lot of things to recover. In the total market cap, imagine that now we have a lot of altcoins. Total 3 is still behind. Nice to see that we are stepping up. I said coiling, this price action was a coiling price action and will explode. We have that. We are trying to take the highs here. But overall, people, on weekly, let's hide the drawings. This is just the beginning on a total 3 market cap. Look at this one. Everyone should know what this pattern is, yeah? You are drinking your coffee in it, okay? How high this one could go? Well, just go and look on Investopedia, cup and handle, and how you should trade a cup and handle. And I think this one will do even better than the cup and handle target. Hey Nuri. So that's the idea here. Total tree looks attractive, looks really nice. Just we don't have enough people to see it. They'll see it above the highs here. They'll see it at 2 trillions. They'll come on Crypto Traders Arena, and your friends will DM you where to buy. And no easy answer. You should tell them to stay the fuck out. They'll listen? No. Okay, let's see the chat. Nuri says not coin. I'll take a look in the request later, Nuri. Yeah, Carol, yeah. How to play a cup and handle. Get long and make yourself a tea and enjoy it. Yeah. A couple of months you should drink that tea. Or that coffee. Guys, I hid the drawings just to see clearly the chart. I could even show you something else. What do you think about this chart? Now just look at it. Just looks like wants to drop from the sky. No? I just flip it the chart so you can see it better. And I recommend each and every one of you, when you have a bias, when you don't know what is next, what will happen, just clean the chart, flip the chart, and you'll see better. No? Especially if you have a trade, you have a position, you have a bias there. Just flip the chart. Okay. Let's flip it back. And let's look at ES. On weekly, nothing to complain. Just look at weekly. Let's put daily. It's too much. Weekly is too much for us. Let's put some drawings back. Back in this uptrend channel. And we are pushing higher. We are slowing down here. Looks like it. We are at $6,000. We are at $6,000. Let's put 4-hour chart. Maybe you have some patterns here. Well, it's slowing down. Yeah. What I'm looking here, I'm looking for divergence in the overbought area. We are getting some on RSI as we speak on ES on 4-hour chart. That's not a bullish sign. When you have the RSI and the overbought area, it's not a bad sign. When you have bearish divergence in the overbought area and you have confirmed bearish divergence, that's a sign that you should not chase. You should not think long. The market or the RSI is just telling you, don't be fucking stupid and try to buy here. Either you find a short, either you stay the fuck out until we'll have a retracement. Okay? It's the only message you can get from RSI. It's not telling you anything else. But it's looking kind of, even the big one here. If we'll accept below this level, then we have a confirmed bearish divergence on RSI. There are smaller ones probably confirming on. But if we switch back to daily, we are just getting in the overbought area. We are not there yet. So, lower time frame 4-hour chart and 1-hour chart. Stay the fuck out, wait for a retracement. On daily, we still have some juice, I think. We'll see. Bitcoin with all the halvening. Nobody's talking about halvening in the period after the halvening. Nobody's talking about cup and handles here and head and shoulders. Well, where is Abdullah? Abdullah said about inverse head and shoulder. Well, we just reached your target, Abdullah. 90,000 for a Bitcoin. You can see that's your target. This was the head and shoulder. This is the target. And we are there. We'll do more than that? Possibly. What is the cup and handle? Kind of thinking, well, you should take this one. You should do something like this. This is the neckline. Okay. You should take this one. Put it here. And your cup and handle target should be at 121. Now, that's the target for the cup and handle. Where Bitcoin will stop? I don't fucking know. I don't need to know. I need to follow my last chance challenge plan. I need to follow my road to financial freedom plan, my day trading plan, and so on. And I'll be okay. And you'll be okay if you'll do that. So Bitcoin looks great, but people, don't chase. Don't go and buy there. Where you'll put your stop loss if you buy there? Come on. You want to be the last to buy? Even for a short period of time, you want to be the last to buy? You want to be that guy that could potentially bought 69 in 2021? You don't want to be that guy. It's painful. Doesn't worth the reward to wait here in Bitcoin all these years and suffer. Because you'll suffer. If you put a lot of money, you'll suffer. If you'll have the patience and don't sell the bottom. If you'll have that. Yeah. We managed to buy power of 3 kind of idea with a little bit of help with P cycle top, P cycle bottom. I'll put you the indicators. You can see. Buy motherfucker. It was a clear message. I posted everywhere, including on TRI. They laughed at me. They said, well, come on. Just stop with the bullshit. We'll go lower. We'll go 8K. Okay? And I said, stop dollar cost average, at least for me, here. I sold some Bitcoin, not small part actually, 30 plus percent at 50K. That was my plan. I wanted to buy it lower. Yeah, never got a chance. Anyway, made nice money. I still have a nice bag. I'm enjoying. Okay, so this indicator was made as a funny joke, but was a serious message because we blabbed away too many times about this one. I know, 8K, 7K, 6K, no. Below 10K, Bitcoin will go. Well, look left. You are below 20. Never happened. If it happened, it's an exception. Buy it. Anyway, it's easy to say now. Was hard then. And now we should look for the other signal. So we should change here. We have the lines for the P cycle bottom. And now we should do something else. Where are you? Yeah, okay. Let's see which lines we have and which lines we don't have. Okay, that's better. Okay, you can see now we have the moving averages for top. Well, we are not close to a top yet. At least not with this indicator. We are getting closer. You can see the slim line or the red one is getting closer to the big one. But usually the price has to come and touch the line, which is in confluence with something else, people. Something. Yeah, you can see. Bitcoin will go there and we'll get a signal. We'll get a signal, that's for sure. Or at least some people say, well, we'll never get a signal because of, I don't know. Okay, maybe not. But these lines will get closer and closer and closer. That will be a good sign. And anyway, price will be above the line. Price now, below the line. Okay. Enough blabbing. Let's go on lower time frame and try to understand something from Bitcoin. I set an alarm on $9,500. You'll get it on general chat. I'm looking with divergence on 4-hour chart and I see two potential ones. Actually one. Wheelie, which is a TRI indicator, which is percentage R modified indicator, yeah, has a potential one. A potential. No divergence on 4-hour chart, people. And Bitcoin, it's a 90K. Let's switch to daily. Let's wait for... well, MapDiv is not working on daily. I closed it on daily, seems like. Yeah. Well, we have some potential. MFI and a lot of smaller ones. But no clear divergence. Back on 4-hour chart. Nothing. 1-hour chart. let's wait a little bit. We need to wait a little bit for, well, on 1 hour chart, we have some divergence, potential confirmed divergence. At least we have something to confirm, and 5 potential. This indicator is from TRI, it's a nice one. John made a nice indicator here. We'll slow down and indicate, I think, as closer we get to 100k, people will be tempted to sell. Mountain Gox people, people who bought Bitcoin at $1 or $5 or $10 or $100. I think their max target was when Bitcoin will reach 100k, I'll fucking sell. So that could push the market down. Will be a selling opportunity? Well, hedging opportunity at 100k, but not selling, I don't think. I don't see the top. I see RSI in a divergence, trying to form a divergence on 1 hour. Yeah. I see the same on OBV, but it's just a potential one. We need more to confirm. MACD and so on. Okay? So lower time frame, we are trying to form something. We don't have anything to say, well, I have a short. But if you'll do something else, because I have, I don't know, 5-10 minutes here and then I'll close. I want to give you some time because we'll start live streaming again with Stefan. Day trading with Stefan will be again for everyone on YouTube. I think in half an hour. I don't know. Is Stefan here? Yeah, Stefan is waking up. Drink your coffee, Stefan. You'll have a lot of work to do. So, if you'll do something nice, which is not hard to do, people, it's not hard. If you are a premium member, you just go here. You have everything. Just come on, look at this one. Just look at this one. I'll hide all the ink. I'll hide everything else. I'll let only the fucking indicator. Tell me that it's hard to trade with Holy Grail in a uptrend. You had an entry at 69k. Okay? And a lot of time to take that entry. Then you had another entry at 73. Then another entry at 74. Then a lot of entries at 75. Then another entry at 76. Then another entry at 79. And even barely an entry here at 80. And even another one at 86. And you're almost break even with that. Find me a better one. Please. Find me a better one. And it's just a bonus. It's a bonus because I don't want to sell something I made for myself and I put a lot of work on it. I don't want to put a price. You are a premium member, you'll get as a bonus. This indicator in this environment worth 100 times more than the premium membership for 1 year. This indicator could make you rich if you are a trader, if you know the process, if you know how to trade. Will do it by itself? No. And on every entry here, you had a table here with entry, stop loss, and position size. Come on, people. Let's switch to Ethereum. Look what happened. Entry at 2,700. Entry at 2,900, entry at 3,000, and so on. This was a fake out here. I have the indicator on, let's see, on 7. If you want to play something more volatile, you can go 8 or 9. But 7 is good enough. Stop loss here, enter again here. It's 50-minute chart. You want to see 5-minute chart? Switch to 5. You'll see what I'm saying. Doge. Imagine, we made some nice money with the first part of the Doge move, but look at this one. Take any entry from here and calculate the risk reward, and you are still in the trade with the stop loss at 33 entire year. I don't know. It's up to you. Now, I'm telling you to use Holy Grail. You have access on it. Use it. If you don't know how to use it, ask in the chat, someone will answer you. But it's not so hard. Yeah? You even have an alarm. You just go here, yeah, you can see, go here, set, add an alert, and every time you'll get an entry, the alarm will tell you, well, get an entry here. Entry here, stop loss below tick line. You have the table telling you exactly where you should put your stop loss and what your position size should be. It's better than a lot of algos out there, where people are paying 5k, 10k, even more to have access. I'll put a price and I'll promote this one for an algo and I'll try to make money on it. No. I'll make money on it. I'll let you make money if you want to use it, and that's it. I don't need all the money in the world. I just need some money. Okay. Now, let's hide the Holy Grail and let's go on 4-hour chart for some altcoins. Okay. Nothing you can do on Doge here. Even if you put the in here. Don't fucking chase Doge at 40 cents. Even if you go to $1, you don't have the risk reward. You don't have anything here. Only stupid people buy Doge above 50 cents. Anyway, it's pushing higher. I recommend to take Holy Grail on the altcoins. You can see IEVO. It's still below 40 cents. It's in a range. We'll manage to see a dump on Bitcoin, and that will give us a retest of 61.8. Maybe yes, maybe no. I don't know. If you want to trade this one, Holy Grail 50-minute chart. Alt. Similar stuff, yeah, everything is kind of slowly pushing straight up. So the only way you can trade at this point in time is either you zoom out on daily or weekly, you see the weekly W and you buy that one, or you zoom in, you draw your long reload zone, hope for that long reload zone, and meantime you activate Holy Grail and you are trying to make some money. Everything looks similar here, people. Huh? From yesterday until today, I just dragged a little bit up my long reload zone, which means Bitcoin pumped a lot, but this one didn't. It's okay to use Holy Grail? I think so. FAT 1.5. Huh? Again, I don't know where the retracement will come. Could come from $2 for $3. So I will not wait for long reload zone. I'll look for the strongest one and I'll play with Holy Grail. With Holy Grail, its hard part is to wait and the market to push high enough to move your stop loss to scratch. After that, it's easy peasy. You just sit there in a free position with a big cup of coffee or tea, hands under your ass, and you are just waiting. From time to time, when market is pushing higher, you adjust your stop loss a bit higher. Simple as that. So everything looks similar here. Well, this one pumped really nice. But I don't see a setup, people. I don't see a setup on altcoins. You can see straight up. And it's normal to be like that. Don't expect, I told you multiple times, new people, don't expect bull market to be easy. It's not easy. It's hard. We have a tool to help us to enter, but it's still up to you. Look at Saga. It's in the middle of the megaphone again. I could use Holy Grail here, I think so. Solana, don't short Solana. You want to say it again? No. I hope so. We accepted above $200, 193 exactly, and we are pushing higher. If I'll zoom out on a weekly chart, I think we are pretty close to attack the all-time high and exceed it. Honestly. I think Solana could go to $500 pretty fast. Come on. Bitcoin, it's a 90k. Solana, it's in some opinions, the best the best network. All the memes are there. All the fun is there for the moment. Will Ethereum catch up? I think so. But it will take time. For the moment, Solana is the best. For memes and everything. And they are pumping. So don't short Solana here. Tao. Let's go back on Tao on 4-hour chart, I think. I have a trade on a 50-minute chart with Holy Grail here. I posted yesterday, I think. Huh? I'm just waiting here. like everyone else. I'm just waiting to see. Maybe it will not stop me out. I have the stop loss at the original place. And we'll start pushing higher. It's about time. What will happen is not up to me. TIA, similar. Huh? If you want to take an entry with Holy Grail, you can see it's at entry. You don't know what Holy Grail when the trend will stop. Could be here, yeah. Could be higher, 10 times higher. TIA at, I don't know, $25? All-time high? Possible. The supply is not the same as when we had TIA at $25. Remember that. So, market cap could be at the all-time high and price be at $5. So, careful with that. Yes, well, nothing we can do here. And Notcoin. Someone asked me about Notcoin. Well, you are sleeping on your... Wake up, Stefan. Wake up. Wake up, Stefan. Good morning, wake up. You have to start a live stream in less than half an hour. Not here. I'll trade at Holy Grail. You can take the next entry if you want on 50-minute chart. The guy who asked, I think it's from Premium, so has access on Holy Grail. Let's take a request now about Holy Grail, but in meantime, let's do something else. Calendar, tomorrow big news. Yeah? Today, clean, nothing to do with that. And on Twitter, nothing fancy. I have this coin from Carol last night, and we even discussed this one on DGen. People from general chat, you don't have access anymore on was just a promo for last week. I hope you made some money or you saw what we are doing on premium part on DGen channel. It's the most active one with meme coins. But I'm enjoying myself with meme coins, I'll be honest. Carol is doing a nice job. We have V there trying to catch up, and he's posting a lot. So if you want to play meme coin, join us. And by the way, we have Black Friday the entire November. Yeah, we have 1 year premium plus 3 months bonus. It's the best we can do, people. For members that are already premium, we have an even better offer, but that's for them. So you can see this one. I had some doubts, and I still have, because the website is with trouble. Twitter didn't post from a long time, but Carol says, well, it's okay to take some. After I'll get in my free position, Carol, it's already free. After I'll get in my free position, I don't care anymore. Could go to zero, so what? Next boss. Well, yeah, DGen is the most active channel. We have, I guess, 1 week or more than... all the fun it's in the DGen channel. Yeah? In DGen channel, we don't even care about Bitcoin. It's at 90k. Ah, okay, so what? Let's look at the next shitcoin. So, it's fun. You have to be sharp. You have to know the risk management. If not, don't even think about playing the meme coins. Yeah? If you don't know, if you don't function with good risk management, you don't stand a chance. You can see 5 posts from Carol or V or me going to zero in half an hour. If you put, I don't know, 0.1, well, you'll have a 0.5 loss. If you put 10 Solana, well, do the math. So that's that one. There are a lot of coins, a lot of them popping up like mushrooms. But it's fun, and we're making some money. That's the most important thing. Okay, now let's take a request, and then I'll call it a live stream, because we have Stefan and a couple of... So you said not coin. Let me see where the message was. Come on. If the guy is still here, if not, could watch the Nuri. Okay. Not coin, but you didn't say the time frame. So I'll have to do it classically. Starting with, I don't know if we have anything on weekly, but let's start. Not bad. Weekly chart, good location. Yeah, you can draw the fibs, you can draw whatever you want. We have good location, no weekly W. So we'll take some time to form that weekly W. Nice OBV. You can see we have divergence on OBV, which is damn strong. Yeah? Low, lower low on the price action. Okay. And here we have low, higher low, confirmed. Yeah? So we have W's here and the price pushing lower, which is strong. I included this one on last chance challenge, people, and you have 2 buys already. You should have 2 orders in the market already. Yeah, 2 fills. That's weekly. Nothing we can say. It's new. We don't have too much to say about. Well, let's hide. We don't need a P cycle on altcoin. Sorry. Let's see. This was the price action from the beginning. This was the price action after the beginning. Still young. We have a trend line. It's confirmed here. Well, actually it's not confirmed yet because this will be the young. But anyway, you get the idea. We are the other side of this steep trend line. We can even draw more of them. You can put this one. You can even say, well, this was a fake movement. This was the real one. This is well respected. Well, W is the other side of that trend line. Well, look at that. I should chase Notcoin here. Well, as an investor on weekly and daily chart, yeah, you can buy it. You can use little or late. You can do whatever you want. As a trader, you should chase here. You don't have a way to frame your risk. So the best way is to do something like this. Okay. Target, just put a 2 to 1 and then trail the rest until short 3 low zone. Want me to put a short 3 low zone on this one? Okay. Let's do a short 3 low zone as a target. Short. So if you manage to get an entry and to sell there, you have a 10 to 1. And it will be really nice. Will this one come back here? Depending what Bitcoin will do. I don't know. I have this one on Holy Grail 50-minute chart playing. Yeah, you can see I'm playing this one on the long side with 50-minute Holy Grail. If we'll come back here, depending on the rest of the market, that will be a buy. Definitely a retest, a Wyckoff check of that W will be a buy. Anything else? I don't know. Let's go on 1 hour. On 4 hour, let's see. Maybe we have more details. Looks strong. Looks like we front run the Wyckoff check here. You can see W breakout, trying to retest. Well, no, I'm too strong and could push higher. In the same time, we can stay here, consolidate, touch that level, and then push higher. You have to work your orders to find out. Let's see indicators. Nothing special. I hope that helps you, Nuri. Okay, someone is saying about render. No, I will not even look. Albert. I will not even look on a short idea on altcoins now. Doesn't matter where it is. Sorry. So, don't fucking short altcoins here. People, just don't be mad. It's just better to wait for a dip on the long. Why people are still... Zoom out, people. Just zoom out. Zoom out on weekly. Please zoom out on weekly. Zoom out on total tree. Zoom out on everything you want. You want to short here? I will not even look at a short idea on altcoin. Any altcoin. Especially render. If you want to do it yourself. You're asking for trouble, you'll find it. That's how this life works. If you search, you'll find. Okay, let's call it a live stream. Okay, let's call it a live stream. Stefan, and how much time do you want to start? Stefan, don't even bother to convince someone that if they need convincing that they should not short, just don't do it. I don't want to be mean here. Just don't do it. If I have to convince you not to be to think long here, well, do whatever you want. There are some people. Wake up, man. Wake up. I'm not saying a short will not work, but why you should do that when you have all the reasons to think deep and buy the deep? Okay, I told you from weeks ago that the market is just strong. In an annoying way for you people to remember, because I know it's annoying. Well, repeat after me, like I was a teacher in a kindergarten or first part of the school. No, it was ugly for a big man to hear every day the same line, but that made you remember that line. So I don't care if it's annoying. Did the job to keep you grounded. yeah, Carol. Yeah, ask him to give you a tip, because 16 hours a day is not fucking free money. You are working for it. Okay. Stefan I see Stefan is not answering. Stefan will post the link in the chat, will post the link on X, on Twitter, call it whatever you want, and you'll be able to join. Well, I cannot refuse Tolga. Okay, Tolga is the last one. Lever on. Turkish lira? Nah. Turkish lira is something else. It's like an altcoin now. Well, it's kind of stable here. I don't know what this one does, Tolga. It looks like a stable coin for me. But you know what I'll say, Tolga. You know what I'll say. Long reload zone, weekly Ws. We have weekly Ws. We don't have weekly Ws. So if we don't have weekly Ws, nothing we can do. On weekly. Yeah? RSI is fighting 50 line on weekly chart, which means that we can range. We can push higher, we can push lower. I don't see an advantage. On daily, I see this range. We are at the top of the range. We can break and push higher here and do a clear fake out and then a retest. Is possible, Tolga, but I don't see anything special about this one. Let's be honest. If you have access to trade it with or enough money to trade it on spot on 50-minute chart with Holy Grail, if you believe in this one. But looking left here, I see a lot of resistance. And honestly, I don't see why you want to trade this one. If you have a bag, just keep it. It's that environment where everything will pump. You know that. Yeah? Well, I don't see the W here. I just know that this is not a W. This is the dead cat bounce, a strong one, straight up. This is from the bottom of the range to the top of the range. It's not something you want to trade. On weekly, no weekly W yet. You want to see W's, Tolga. You know, you are old enough here. You know, this is the W you want to see in this area. You can see W's, breakout, retest, and up. You don't have that here. I don't know why you want it. If you have a bag, that's why you're asking. Keep the bag because we'll pump with everything else. But I just don't see. I don't know what this one does. So, just my 2 cents. Okay. Let's call it a live stream, guys. 40 minutes, 50 minutes, live stream. Daily crypto plan. Well, daily crypto plan should last 20 minutes, not almost 1 hour. Okay. See you guys in the Stefan live stream. Hit the like or the dislike twice. You know I love to say that. Share the post with this live stream on Twitter. Share the post with the next live stream on Twitter. That will help us to grow. Bring your friends here because I think it's the best community ever. But I created the community, so that's my only opinion. The rest is up to you. Okay, see you guys next time. Bye bye.